Namaskaram and Swagatam to Fluent in Malayalam. Today we are going to learn the alphabet A. A is the long A sound, and in this video we are going to learn how to write A, some words using the letter A, and some sentences using those words. So let's get started. So let us first learn to write A, and it is very similar to the first letter A except the end part. So once we reach here, we have an additional part. So that makes the difference. And let us try one more time. And that is A. Our first word is Aharam. Aharam. Aharam is food. Aharam is food. So the sentence that I am using here is Aharam കഴിക്കൂ. Aharam കഴിക്കൂ. Aharam കഴിക്കൂ means have food. Aharam കഴിക്കൂ. The second word is Abharanam. Abharanam. Abharanam is jewelry. Abharanam is jewelry. The sentence with Abharanam as a word is കല്യാണത്തിന് ആഭരണം വാങ്ങണം. കല്യാണത്തിന് ആഭരണം വാങ്ങണം. Have to buy jewelry for marriage. കല്യാണത്തിന് ആഭരണം വാങ്ങണം. Have to buy jewelry for marriage. Agraham. Agraham is wish. Agraham. Agraham. So let us see this example. ഒരു ഡോക്ടർ ആവാനാണ് എൻ്റെ ആഗ്രഹം. ഒരു ഡോക്ടർ ആവാനാണ് എൻ്റെ ആഗ്രഹം. It means I wish to become a doctor. ഒരു ഡോക്ടർ ആവാനാണ് എൻ്റെ ആഗ്രഹം. Next word is ആഴം. ആഴം. ആഴം is depth. ആഴം. ആഴം is depth. So the sentence here is വിമാനത്തിൻ്റെ അവശിഷ്ടങ്ങൾ ആഴക്കടലിൽ നിന്നു കിട്ടി. വിമാനത്തിൻ്റെ അവശിഷ്ടങ്ങൾ ആഴക്കടലിൽ നിന്നു കിട്ടി. So in the word ആഴക്കടലിൽ we are using the word ആഴം. So the meaning of this sentence is വിമാനത്തിൻ്റെ അവശിഷ്ടങ്ങൾ means the remains of the airplane was recovered in deep sea. ആഴക്കടൽ is deep sea. So the remains of the airplane was recovered in deep sea. വിമാനത്തിൻ്റെ അവശിഷ്ടങ്ങൾ, അവശിഷ്ടങ്ങൾ is remains, ആഴക്കടലിൽ നിന്ന് കിട്ടി. That was a bit difficult one, I understand that, but ആഴം, ആഴം means depth. So in this one, I have included a couple of animal names. So if you have seen the video where I gave the animal names in Malayalam, I think I have included all of this. So ama, ama, ama is tortoise. Ana, ana is elephant. Aad, aad is goat. Next is not an animal, but I want to use that word in the next sentence, so that is why I have included it here. Asha, asha is hope. Hope. So ama is tortoise. Ana is elephant. Aad is goat. Asha is hope. And the sentence I'm using here is actually a proverb. It goes like this. Aana koduthalum asha kodukkarudhu. Aana koduthalum asha kodukkarudhu. Which means give an elephant but not false hope. Even though asha means hope, in this proverb it means you should not give a person false hope. Aana koduthalum asha kodukkarudhu. Ayudham. Ayudham. Ayudham is weapon. Ayudham is weapon. ആയുധം വെച്ച് കീഴടങ്ങി. ആയുധം വെച്ച് കീഴടങ്ങി is the example sentence, actually we can consider this as a phrase. So ആയുധം വെച്ച് കീഴടങ്ങി means to put down one's weapon and stop fighting. So that's basically the meaning of this. ആയുധം വെച്ച് കീഴടങ്ങി, to put down one's weapon and stop fighting, or to put down one's weapon and accept the defeat. So ആയുധം വെച്ച് കീഴടങ്ങി, ആയുധം. Arti, arti means greed. Arti is greed. So the next sentence is also like a phrase. They say ആർത്തി മൂത്ത് ഭ്രാന്താവുക. ആർത്തി മൂത്ത് ഭ്രാന്താവുക. Meaning is go crazy being greedy, or go mad being greedy. So sometimes this comes as a phrase in reference to the greed for having more food, but it is not limited to just food. You can use it for any objects. So arti is greed towards anything. So arti moot brandavaga means go crazy being greedy. So those were our sentences, those were our words and sentences using the alphabet letter R. And I hope you enjoyed this session. If so, please do like, share, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. And as always, please do pour in your suggestions so that I know what I have to make in the next session. So thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye. Namaskaram.